The Studio is the newest series from LG. The range has a couple of decent features and a few that really don't matter. So should you buy it? In this video, you'll learn about the pros and cons of the LG Studio with comparisons against Cafe, Profile, Samsung, Bosch, and Beko. At the end of the video, you'll know whether this range or another brand might be right for you. Let's get started. There are three main reasons to buy this range. It normally sells for around $22.99 on average. The burners are extremely hot with a 22,000 and 20,000 BTU burner. Just for context, that's more powerful than most pro ranges from Wolf, Thermador, Genair, Miele, and others we probably don't sell. For gas slide-ins, Cafe, Profile, and Samsung have only one burner over 20,000 BTUs, while LG has two. You also have a griddle burner in the middle at 10,000 BTU, plus two other burners at 91 and 5,000 for simmering. For gas slide-ins, only the 6-burner Cafe has more total BTU. LG Studio's oven is large at 6.3 cubic foot, while the average gas oven from competitors like Bosch, Beko, and Profile is 4.6 to 5.7 cubic feet. Only KitchenAid with their baking drawer below, and the Cafe double oven is larger at 7 cubic feet. Their ProBake convection is technically better than most brands' regular convection because the heat is emitted from the rear and the fan projects that heat. For regular convection, the heat emanates from the bottom and is then distributed by the fan, so your cookies should have identical color and texture on all the racks, rather than the bottom rack being a bit darker and the top being a bit less done. The window in the Studio is an instant view like the refrigerator, so you tap it to darken or lighten to see what's inside. LG gas ranges are once again the most reliable ranges in our rankings, with just 4.1 serviced in the first year versus 8.5% for gas ranges from other brands based on over 34,000 service calls logged by our service team just last year. Air fry still does not crisp consistently in this brand or any other. My neighbor uses the air fry mode in her Profile oven for French fries, and they're always uneven and half burnt. I still eat them. They are still French fries after all. Air sous vide is a 2-hour mode, and then you finish it in a pan for texture. This range is only available in stainless steel. You don't have other colors and options like Cafe or Fisher Bakel. It's not a double oven like Cafe, and the bottom drawer is just storage. Bosch has a warming drawer to keep food warm for up to 3 hours. It's a good combination of output, oven size, and reliability. $22.99 is the average price for a good slide-in range. Cafe will offer a larger oven and more options, but it'll cost you $1,500 to $2,500 more. So you should consider the Studio, but you do have good options with other brands. What do you think? Do you like this range or another brand? You can leave it in the comments below.